The 2018 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, keyless entry, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, side airbags, power windows, power door locks, power brakes, clock, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.